I have here a few numbers, and then I have a piece of text here in which I have the sum of these three numbers, which is 9. And when I change this 4 into a 5, the text also changes. So this text is the result of a formula. So I'm going to delete the formula and show you how I made the formula. So let me start off by calculating the sum of these three numbers with the sum function, which is 10. And then I'm going to add a piece of text at the end of the formula between these quotes, which is pieces of fruit. Now I wrote this text without a space before the P. So what I'm going to get is the number 10 and attached to that the text pieces of fruit, but without a space before the P. So I can use the AND symbol to attach two pieces of text, or a formula and a text, or a number and a text together. Now if I want a space between the number 10 and the letter P, I have to add a space before the P and after the quote, because the space is a part of this text. Enter. And now I have a space after the 10 and before the P. Double click. Now let me add a piece of text before the number 10. So between these quotes, I'm going to write another piece of text. So a text, number 10, and yet another piece of text. And here I'll type I have, but after the letter E and before the quote, I need a space. Enter. So now I have a sentence with the number 10 in it. Now let me see if it works. So I'll change the number 5 to 4, enter, and it works. So now I have 9 pieces of fruit. So in conclusion, you can use the AND symbol to concatenate multiple pieces of text and formulas.